Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And yes, I'm sitting on my new sofa. So excited about that. I'll be doing another video about some of the things in my living room. Today, I want to talk about what I'm using in my living room, and that is the AirDoctor 5000. I have been using it since July of 2022, and I just got an indicator that my carbon filters need to be replaced. So timing is perfect to do an updated video if you are thinking about getting an air purifier, even considering the 3000, which I did a video, and I'll put a link to that. And this one is definitely taking it to another level. As you can see, it's very big. It has wheels, so it makes it easy to move. And we'll dive into the specs. Now, I will put a link, my referral link, in the description as well as in the comment section below, so you can take advantage of any promotions I have, and they are through the referral link there. Now, let me share with you about the unit and the specs, and then I'll turn it on, share with you just a few things. We'll replace the filters, and then you could, again, check it out on the website. So this is, again, the 5000, and it's perfect for clearing, cleaning air up to 868 square feet at 5 times an hour and 2100 square feet 2 times an hour. And it captures 100% of airborne particles as small as 0.003 microns in size, as the vast majorities of VOCs. Now, if you want to get more specific about specs, you could check that on the website as well. And we are going to go ahead and change the carbon filters, and the dual carbon gas trap VOC filters remove dangerous ozone gas and volatile organic compounds like formaldehyde. And then we'll reset it. All right, now let's go ahead and turn it on so you can see, you know, how loud it can get and how quiet it can get, because this thing is very quiet. Also, if you do lose power and you turn it off, then, or really if you lose power in your apartment or home, it doesn't automatically turn on. So you have to turn it on. Sometimes I forget if I lose power. Okay, so now I just turned it on, and you could see, first of all, you're gonna get the light indicator. That's red. Ultimately, you want it blue. So it's gonna be louder when it first comes on, because it's going through the cycle and the motion of turning on and getting back to that blue color. Now, you have all your indicators at top here, which I shared in another video. Everything is easy to use. Everything is touch on the displays there, so that's all you need to do for depending on the settings. So you got your power, the different speeds, you've got automatic, you can put into night mode, and it's got a timer, the ion, and then you've got your indicators here to let you know about the filter. So you could see there, the carbon light is on, it's red, and that means we need to change it. So you can see now the light is blue, everything's good to go. Now, what we're going to do is change the filters. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. And by the way, before I do that, as far as the unit, right now, you can't even hear it. It's on automatic. So again, it's really whisper quiet. So if you are looking for a very quiet unit, then this is a great way to go. Okay, now, so it's got this mesh filter on the outside here. This comes off. And you can certainly, which I need to do, probably wipe this down with a damp towel to clean it off, or rinse it under water. And this is since July of last year. Let me actually take out the filters. Take one at a time. They're pretty heavy, by the way. And this is the results of since July of last year. So that is that one. Let me go ahead and put it, and let me also turn this off. Put this in my garbage bag so I can dispose of that. So we've got this one done, and this has got 2 sides to it. So it's quite the machine, and it again is made for larger areas. And then you'll have the other HEPA filter here. That has not given me an indicator. They say the HEPA filter is supposed to last a year. When it does, I've got that replacement there. So you can see it's got 2 stages. Now, we'll go ahead and take this one out and put this one in. And you can see how clean that is now. And then it's got the arrow indicator there. It also has the ribbon there for pulling. You put that in there. Then you put this back on and you are good to go. And then you do the same thing for the other side, and which I'm going to now do real quick, and then we're going to reset it. So this tucks back in. Turn it this way so I can see. There we go. Put the cover back on. And again, what I probably should do is rinse that filter off, which I'll do now that I've replaced it. Take this one out. We're going to go ahead and take this one off. And you can see this one too. And this is, again, since July of last year. Now, if you see my 3000 video, my AirDoctor 3000, you should see that from my bedroom. I get a lot of dust in this apartment, and it's quite impressive, the filtration that the AirDoctor machines produce. And so I'm really pleased about that. So I'll put this one here, put this on, and we'll get this right in there, like that. Just takes a quick minute to get that right back in place. All right, I think I almost got it. There we go. And now put that on. Now we're good to go. All right, I'm going to turn it back on. So now I got nice, brand new, fresh carbon filters. And what it says to do to reset the filter indicator, press auto and dim buttons together for 3 seconds. So the auto and dim are these two. I'm going to press it, hold it for 3 seconds. And now the light went off. The 5000 is now good to go until I get the indicator to probably replace the Ultra HEPA next time. So let me know if you have any questions. Check it out today. Click on the link in the profile and take advantage of any discounts. If you have any questions, I'll try and answer those. And again, if you have any specifics and questions on specs, more detailed than I'm sharing, you can easily check that on the website. And this is, again, a great way to go if you are looking and you've got a large space and really want to purify the air in your room, and you want a whisper quiet one too. That might even be in a smaller bedroom, but you're more sensitive to noise and when you're sleeping. This would be, to me, I think, a better way to go than the 3000, because the 3000 does still make a little bit of noise that you can hear, although that one does an amazing job, as you'll see in the video. And again, let me know if you have any questions. So appreciate your time. Thanks so much. We'll see you on the next video, and stay healthy. Take care.